Welcome to the world's greatest culinary competition, Young Chef Olympiad 2019, designed for the world's best culinary students, hosted by the IIHM, International Institute of Hotel Management in association with IHC, International Hospitality Council, UK. 55 participating countries were divided into 6 groups at the official draw held at Westminster Kingsway College in London. The opening ceremony will take place at the magnificent Talkatoora Stadium on 28 January 2019. All groups will be competing in the first 2 rounds from Delhi, Pune, and Bangalore. All 55 countries will fly down to Calcutta for finals, plate trophy competition, and lastly the grand closing ceremony, which will take place on 2 February 2019. Mauritius in Group C will have round 1 and 2 cook-offs in Delhi. The finals will be held in Kolkata. With us is Deborah Allison Castor from MITD as a Cheftestant at the greatest international culinary competition. Mauritius mentor Annabelle Maguerite Mootoosamy is here to spearhead the team to victory.
At the École and actually certificated free in food production. I am very excited to participate in the Young Chef Olympiad. I wish to acquire more knowledge for this competition and to share my creativity. See you soon. Goodbye.
I thank the organizing committee of the YCO to have organized this competition and have invited us for this edition. I am Karmaraj A Nosib, the acting manager of the Kolkata. Our participant is Miss Allison Castor, and she will be accompanied by her trainer, Miss Annabelle Mootoosamy. So I wish them good luck for the competition in India, and in the meantime we are preparing very hard so that at least we come among the finalists.
We wish the team all best for YCO 2019, the greatest culinary competition in the world for culinary students.